we're celebrating Africa Day. Yesterday it was at Siabuswa, today we're here at Mpumalanga, a day on which we're reflecting on the soul of our continent, the resilience of its people, and the future we are called to build together. Africa Day is not just ceremonial, it shouldn't be. It is, I want to believe, a decade of Africa, this one. And as we move towards 2030 and ultimate 2063 of the African Union persuasions, we should be reclaiming Africa back. Africa stands for deliverance. Africa stands for unity. Africa stands and should be standing for collective responsibility that's essential for transformation.
This Africa of 2063, we aspire for a cultural identity, a common identity, shared values, and an ethical Africa. We need people-driven development where all citizens are empowered, especially our women and children. Africa should become an influential global player capable of financing its own development. Ladies and gentlemen, let me draw to a conclusion by saying it is actually in our hands. It is your future that we are talking about, and therefore take it upon yourself. You remember the Mandela statement that it seems impossible until it is done. You are a generation that can make that difference. And as we celebrate this day, these are the things that we are supposed to showcase. But please, in the process of creating knowledge here and having discussions, let's find solutions for this beautiful country. Thank you.
Let us be proud of our cultural practices, our cultural values, our cultural attires. Let's not wear our African clothes only on Africa Day or on Heritage Month. Let us be proud of ourselves on a daily basis. I urge the young people of this province and the student leaders that let us continue to redefine our unity in purpose, our unity in diversity, and to give a practical meaning to this Pan-African knowledge that we call Pan-Africanism and African Renaissance. Let us become the Toni Morrisons of today and say that definition belongs to the definers, not to the defined. Let us define ourselves. Let's not allow somebody to define us. Toni Morrison, he says definition belongs to the definers, not to the defined. One of the distinct features of this province is your unity. The Pan-African cultural groups that are here, they are from different backgrounds, foregrounds and middle grounds.